All right, so this glitter soap with my orange cream scent, peachy orangey. This side just looks fine. It's glycerin melt and pour. Nicely done, self. However, people want soap to remind them of cleanliness, hygiene. This looks like boogers, I'm sorry, or soap scum or other nasty. This is soap and it's bumpy. So I want to trim her down. Here we are with the guillotine, the melt and pour guillotine. I removed the safety and I have a larger back. What I would like to do, Uncle Andy, is trim this using the guillotine. So this is slow, but I just want one bar to trim it. Here's what I'm doing. Do. Okay. Don't want to get cut. Start measuring. Closer. There we go. Tighten it. Now, I want to hold it in place, so I grab whatever and do this so I don't get cut. Now, will it trim? And push, and see what happened is, what will happen is it bows. So if anyone knows how to stop Uncle Andy's guillotine, hold on, get out of there. Soap making is work. Up, get out of there. This is the work, people. All right, there it is. My problem is that Uncle Andy's, it goes this far and the blade bends. It might be because I've let this soap harden for several months. That might be why. But let's try it again. And again, as a soap maker business, I do all this with every bar. I make them, I trim them. I'm a perfectionist with the art piece. So this tedium that you're seeing is part of the job. See, we'll try one more time. Okay, now I'm gonna loosen it. Okay, right there. It's lined up. Okay, Uncle Andy, I'd like to trim this. Slow, fast, I don't know. There. There we go. Okay. Done with that. So I got it to trim down a little bit. That's okay. I learned in art school when you're trimming, you cut in threes. 1, 2, 3. You never cut all at once. Now, goodbye, Uncle Andy. This is a miter box from my dad, and you would normally use a saw with it. However, I found that my soap cutter fits in the $9 miter box. So, do. Now I'm gonna put it right here on the other side. I'm holding it, and I'm going to, no, maybe not. This may not work. Again, it's part of the job. There we go. All right. I trimmed it a little bit more. It looks better than it did. It's smooth, although it's uneven. So the last, I do it by hand at the end. I love the wavy. I'm holding it, and I'm gonna go. All right. This is where we're at. I'm going to work on it some more, but I don't want to bore you. Anywho, ready on the front, working on the back. And this is actually okay for the soap bar. It doesn't have to be flat. It just needs to look clean and purposeful. This is true soap, so anyhow, that's what I'm saying. This is good for me. But I wanted to show all these boring, tedious parts of the job of soap making. I mean, mixing mica and pretty colors, it takes a very little amount of time, but the trimming, now I'm going to do the same procedure with this one. This one needs a lot of work. All right, so that was today's lesson on trimming. But remember, the front looks fine. This is my orange cream fantasy euphoria. The smell is great. The art is great, but the trimming needs some help. It's never, buying an Uncle Andy's does not solve all your problems. Having a miter box purchasing things does not solve your problems. The tools and the skill is what solves the problems. So, okay, thank you.